Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually for a first time over at Voyager Elementary School in Howell, Michigan. And I'm here at my home, also in Michigan. So it was a great honor to share my heart in my home state where I live. And the topic today to kick off the new year, 2021, was a very important topic, all about diversity, our differences both on the outside and on the inside. So the things that we're good at, our skills, our talents, our abilities, all those things on the inside we have to honor and appreciate, as well as what's on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, how we talk, the way we dress, our cultures, our background, where we're from, the languages that we speak. We have to really respect all of that. And when we do, then we actually honor that other person, right? We see them as a human being, and we show them this kindness that is so needed in today's world. The sub-theme being need human kindness. You see it on the poster on the back there and on my clothing, but you see that there's a peace sign inside the heart, and that's where peace has to begin, right? That's where it always starts, is within. And once we believe that we have value and that we are beautiful and we are unique, now we can go help others see that in themselves too. Another important part of that is to understand that we're all miracles. So the M on all of our palms, right, etched on all of our hands, I traced one of mine here. But that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And why it's so important that we show this kindness, right, is not just to the person that we show it to, but anybody that might hear that kind word or see that kind action, maybe it'll positively affect their heart as well. So again, it was just an awesome opportunity to talk about concepts like unconditional love, to know that we can always choose kindness, we can always choose love no matter what we've been through, no matter what we're going to go through. I had a second grader once that came up to me in one of my talks and said that she was kind to everybody, and that she thought that, you know what, Mr. Peace, she said, I think I was born kind. And all of us are born kind, right? We're all born nice. We have to learn hatred. We have to learn violence. We have to learn to be mean. But we can always unlearn that and rise above that hate and choose that love by appreciating diversity, by respecting ourselves, by showing unconditional love, love without any conditions, and always remembering that we are true miracles. Thanks so much for touching my heart, Voyager. Hope to see you in person one day. For now, it's remote and virtual. Have a great rest of this school year, and hopefully we will see each other soon. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen, along with checking out my website link for more information on my journey across this country. You can also look at some other great videos on this playlist that are very inspiring about other visits I've made at schools just like yours. Much love. Peace.